Hello and welcome back to Swaad Station. This is Zabai Shabdi and today I have got something absolutely delicious for you. We are going to make a smoky, flavorful, quick chicken dish. It's simple recipe that packs a punch of flavor with that signature smoky aroma. So let's start right in. Here's what you will need to make this mouth-watering chicken. 500 grams chicken, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 large or 2 medium size finely chopped onion, 2 tomatoes, you can use puree instead, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, green chilies, half cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, salt to taste, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 tablespoon, 10 to 15 cashew and almonds, and a piece of charcoal for that unique smoky flavor. We will start by marinating the chicken in a bowl. Mix the chicken pieces with half a cup of yogurt. Take beaten yogurt and add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, salt to taste, and Kashmiri red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Make sure that chicken is well coated with the spices and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes to soak in all those wonderful flavors. Next, let's prepare the base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and saute until it's turned translucent. Then add 2 slit green chilies and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute another 2 minutes until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste disappears. Now it's time to add our marinated chicken to the pan. Cook it on medium-high heat until the chicken is browned and partially cooked. This should take about 6 to 7 minutes, and once the chicken is nicely browned, add cashew and almond paste and tomatoes to the pan. Mix everything well and cook until the oil starts to separate from the gravy. This will give your chicken that nice thick texture. So let's continue with the video. For this special touch, sprinkle crushed 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi over the chicken. Then reduce the heat and let the chicken simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's fully cooked and the gravy thickens. giving a good mix, add slit green chilies to the chicken and some fresh coriander leaves. Now heat the piece of charcoal until it's red hot. Place it and add few drops of ghee. Immediately cover the pan with the lid to trap the smoke. Let it sit for 5 minutes to infuse that smoky goodness. Finally, your chicken is now ready to serve. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot with naan, roti or rice. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Swaad Station for more delicious recipe. Let me know in the comment how you like this recipe. Bye bye.